Hello everyone. In the last video we have discussed about basics of emulator 8086, and in this video we will see how to perform basics data transfer and logical operations using 8086. So basically in a logical operation we can perform an AND and OR logic gates, and there are many logic gates which we can use in 8086, but in this video we will see how to perform an AND gate and OR gate logic in 8086. So where we can apply the AND logic and OR logic. The AND logic can be applied for masking the bits. Suppose for example we have data called and 1111, 4 ones are there. Suppose if I want to mask the first bit and third bit, then we can use an AND operation and then we can mask a bit. Where we can apply a OR. The OR can be used for setting up the bits. Suppose for example if I want the third bit to be 1, then we can do a OR logic operation and then we can set the bits. So now before going to a program, so this is a basic truth table of an AND gate and OR gate. So AND means for 1 1 the output is 1, for OR gate so for 0 0 the output is 0, and for remaining logics the output is 1. So at first we will perform an AND logic masking the bits. So at first once again origin 100H, move AX comma 1100H. So this is syntax. So where in move AX comma 1100H, the 1100H is the source and AX is the destination, where AX is a register. So inside I give commands, and from 1100H data is moved to AX register, and move, we are performing AND operation, so masking the bits, and is the keyword, and AX comma 0F 0F, and where this is the hexadecimal value, so please give H. So now by giving 0F 0F, what happened? Let us see. So the input is 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. So this is my AX input. This is the AX input. So now we will do the AND operation with 0F 0F. F means 1 1 1. And now we will perform AND operation. So by doing AND operation, what happens? So 1 0 means the output is 0 0 0 0. If any input is 0 means the output will be 0, and then the output is 0, and once again here also the output is 0, and here the output is 0 0 1 1. So we have performed an AND operation. So now what is the output over here? So wherever we have do the AND operation with the 0, that corresponding bit has been masked. So this 1 1 1 1 has been masked to 0 0 0 0. But if you see here, the second input is 0001. Suppose for example I have given 0001, the output is 0001. So this bit is not masked. These 4 bits are not masked. So wherever we have given F, that corresponding bit is not masked. Wherever we have given 0, that corresponding bit has been masked. That's the logic. Okay. So now since we have given 0 over here for these 4 bits, so this value is nothing but 0F 0F. This value is nothing but 0F 0F. So wherever we have given 0, the corresponding bits are masked. So wherever we have given f, the corresponding bits are not masked. You can see here 0001, the same 0001, and then 0011, the same 0011 has not been masked. So this is where we can use the AND operation. So AND AX comma 0F, and then we can see the output in some other memory location. So we can give 1200 H comma AX and halt the program. So now in place of AND, if I replace with OR, that is called setting the bits. Okay, so now we can see 0000 I have given. So what happened here? So whatever in the input, okay, so 0101, 1111, and then once again here, what is output? 0101, 11, 1 here, and here 1, here also 1111. Suppose for example here I have given 0, then here the output will be 1110. Okay, so now the 0F. So suppose for example here I have given a 0, then the output will be 0 also here. But wherever we have 1, that place alone will be masked here. So okay, so you can see here, so here I have 1111, so the output also 1111, but the input is 0001. Okay, in the place of 0001, I have set the bits into 4 ones. But if you see here, the first 4 bits here, I have given 1110, but I have OR the logic with 0000, so the same input has been reached the output. But when we are doing the OR operation with F, that corresponding bit has been masked and set to the 4 ones. You can see here, when we are doing the OR operation with the 4 ones, the corresponding input has been set to ones. That is the operation of OR gate. So now we will copy the same program and then we will do it in the emulator. So as I told earlier, create the empty workspace, and then compile, and then do the emulate. So in emulate, go to view and go to memory, and here you please click 1100, give the input address 1100, and then give the data. So 12, I have given, and 21 and 12, and then do the single steps. You can see here the lower bits is 21 and higher bits is 12. So now we are going to do the OR operation. So in the place of 2, in the place of the H higher bits 2, and then in the place of lower bits 1, it will be set to F. You can see here 1F, 2F. You can see the difference 1, 2, 2, 1. We are doing the OR operation with 0F, 0F. So in the place of higher bits and lower bits, you please check it over here. Change to 1F, 2F. Okay, the second bit has been set to 1. And then halt the program. Suppose if you want to mask the bits, then replace the OR with AND and emulate. go to view, memory, go to 1100 and update view 2112. Now you go for single step, so 1221. Now you can see wherever we have given a 0, the corresponding bit has been masked. So wherever we have given F, the corresponding bits are not masked. 0 to 01, we got the proper output. So this is how we can use the logical operations to perform a basic logic masking and setting in 8086. We will see in another video. Thank you.